Welcome to Swad's Kitchen. Let's make the creamy mushroom soup in restaurant style, but there is a surprise. We are not going to use any cream for this mushroom soup, but yet it's going to be as tasty as we get in the restaurants. In a saucepan, add in 70 to 100 grams of butter. Throughout the recipe, we have to ensure that the flame is in the lowest possible. So this recipe yields around 6 serves. For that I have added 4 large onions, sliced thinly like this. We do not want the onion to even start browning. We're just gonna sweat the onions and the potatoes. For 4 large onions, I've taken 2 medium-sized potatoes and we have chopped them finely like this. Let's add in this too. Remember, we are just gonna sweat it and let them cook. For 6 serves, we need 6 garlic pods of this size. We're gonna fine grate it like this. Give it a good mix. Remember, the flame is in the lowest possible throughout the recipe. At this stage, I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Thyme goes very well with mushroom. In case if you do not have thyme, you can either just leave it or you can add any Italian seasoning. The most important thing is the water ratio. There is no fixed limit, but you can easily check. We just need the entire contents in this stage to be covered with water. See, you can still see the chunks of potato. So I'm just adding a 1/4 cup of water again, and this is just the perfect water ratio. Lid on and let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. In another burner, we're going for roasting the mushrooms. Add in 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter, depending on how rich you want the soup to be. I've taken 250 grams of mushroom. I have cut it thin like this because it's easier for us to cook and the shape is interesting too. Flame is in the lowest. We have added all the mushroom to the butter. Just saute it for a minute. And very soon you will see that it changes its color. It becomes darker. That's lovely. So now we're just adding very little salt because mushrooms absorb salt very soon. And look at this, addition of salt has resulted in the water release from mushrooms. It's totally fine, nothing to worry. Give it a good mix. Now we can switch off the flame. Add in very little pepper. This is just to flavor the mushrooms directly. We can adjust the salt and pepper in the soup. On the other side, our onion and potatoes have been boiling. Doesn't it look perfect? See, the onions have retained its shape, but it is very well cooked through. The potatoes are also done. It is all turned completely transparent. So this is the stage we are looking for, and we're gonna add in the mushrooms. If you want it completely creamy, I mean without chunks, you can add in all the mushrooms. But for 6 serves, 250 gram is too much. You can just add 3/4 of the entire content. Adjust salt and pepper here. Since I wanted the soup to be little chunky, I have kept aside few mushroom pieces. It has been boiling for about 3 to 5 minutes, and look how nicely the butter got separated. The mushroom also had its time boiling inside the water. We have let it cool completely and ground it to a very smooth paste like this. Look at how creamy and thick it looks. This is just the perfect consistency. This means the quantity of water we used for cooking these was just perfect. Let's pour in the ground paste to a clean saucepan and then switch on the burner. Please do not pour it into the hot vessel. It is going to definitely splutter. And this is the ladle test. On the back of the ladle, you can see how nicely it holds up the shape. We are adding in the mushroom chunks we kept aside. Let it get warm. 2 to 3 minutes. Our mushroom soup is absolutely ready. We have not added any cream, but just take a spoonful and you won't be able to stop it. Don't forget. Let's eat. Yum yum. Tata. Bye bye from Swad's Kitchen.